So if you notice, these ATS 460s come with a Celsius temp gauge. You know, we're in America, we run off of Fahrenheit. So I ordered this Fahrenheit gauge off of Amazon, and we're going to put it in and see how it works. So if you bear with me, we will pull the cover back off and mess with some wiring. Duh. Okay, if we look up here, it is a 3-wire gauge as well. So the red and black should go to the battery. So let's go ahead and shut the battery off. All right, there we go. So let's go ahead and disconnect that. That way that wire is free. I'm going to try to reuse these terminals. That way we could get it back in. So I'm going to clip it here and crimp the wires off of this gauge onto there so we can use the factory plug. Alright, so let's go and pull this gauge out. Select some little 8 mils. Yep. Sure. Gauge is out. There we go. Pretty simple. Let's go ahead and drop this one in. Make sure it does fit. Would have helped if I didn't have it upside down. Right there we go. That it'll work. Now let's work on the wiring. So we have this plug. So I'm going to cut it right there. Alright, so let me go ahead and cut these. Gives me enough room just in case I got to put it back together. No, I got no red left, huh? Alright, we have to use 3 of these. let's go ahead and get them in there. I like to have it right there on the edge with that one. And since these are a little big, I'm going to fold my wire. And that's all we need. That ought to do. Do the same with the rest of them. Remember, you don't want to get the coating. You're not trying to crimp the coating, you're just trying to get the wire crimped onto the metal. If you push it in too far, you can kind of feel it as you're going in. There we go. Oop. Okay, so let's do the ground first. All right. Hot wire. And then our sensing wire. Okay, there we go. Now let's plug it in and see what she says. See if it works. Okay. There we go. We're at 150 degrees. I was running it earlier, so engine is still hot. So let's put it in. And see how she works. Remember, put this down. Go ahead and plug your wire in. I guess make sure you put it down here at the bottom. And then run it up. See, get this thing started. Well, sure it's further down. What the? see what's going on here. Oh, so still have threads going all the way up. It's made for a thicker mounting points. So let's try something different. Okay, so it will go the opposite direction. That'll ton us up. If we go that way, we bottom out right there. Okay. Oops. There we go. That should be it. None of these wires are going to get in anywhere. So let's go ahead and put our tools up. Let's put our grate back on. All right, there it is. It's back together. All right, let's fire it up. So the temp gauge is going up. Let's turn the fan on. So its temp sensor is coming from right here on the tank. And that's it. That's it. It has a Fahrenheit temp gauge in it. Thanks for watching.